TotalTrax does is automate the use of forklifts in warehouses.
FMC's #1 goal, our commitment to safety, and the TotalTrax system, particularly the new SXVX platform, is a huge enhancement to our overall safety program.
What we do is equip the forklift truck with a small device that measures how fast you're going, where you are, if you hit something.
There's a upward-facing camera that looks at optical placement markers to figure out where the unit is located in the warehouse down to several inches.
And that can be combined with timestamp data so that we get real-time tracking of fork truck speed, locations of any kind of alarm events. So the whole system works very well and is incredibly accurate.
And we're able to now help companies take the data that we provide and use that as actionable insight.
So the TotalTrax system is able to monitor when the fork truck last went through a safety inspection, and if it's due for an OSHA required safety inspection, it'll prompt the user to do that. The fact that the TotalTrax software is in the cloud definitely enhances the user friendliness of the system, because that enables them to make software updates seamlessly so it doesn't affect our operation at all. The system has been able to do everything that we wanted it to do. Incredibly flexible from the deployment of the hardware up to the software. It's very user friendly. The TotalTrax system is key to the safe operation of our plant.